Start by finding a comfortable and quiet space, free from distractions. As you settle into your space, whether it's sitting or laying down, take a few moments to center yourself. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath, taking slow and deep inhalations through the nose and exhaling gently through the mouth. Let go of any tension in your body, allowing your muscles to relax. Clear your mind of any thoughts or worries and simply be present in this moment. Let go of expectations and judgment and allow yourself to fully be present with the words that will follow. Be open to the experience and let your heart and mind be receptive to the positive energy and affirming words you will hear. I am a forgiving person, releasing resentment and embracing peace. I am empowered by the strength that forgiveness brings into my life. I am a vessel of compassion, understanding, and forgiveness. I am choosing to forgive because it is a gift and I give it to myself. I am releasing the burden of grudges and making space for healing. I am letting go of the pain, allowing forgiveness to heal my heart. I am choosing peace over resentment as I embrace forgiveness. I am cultivating a forgiving heart, recognizing the power it holds. I am choosing forgiveness as an act of self-love and self-respect. I feel a sense of relief as I let go of resentment and embrace forgiveness. I feel the healing warmth of forgiveness soothing my soul. I feel a profound peace within me as I forgive and release the past. I feel the emotional freedom that forgiveness brings into my life. I feel a renewed sense of connection and understanding as I forgive. I feel the healing energies of forgiveness permeating through my body. I feel a deep sense of inner peace and tranquility through forgiveness. I feel the cleansing and renewing energy of forgiveness in my life. I feel the power of forgiveness as a tool for emotional and spiritual growth. I do choose to forgive as it opens the door to emotional freedom. I do practice forgiveness, releasing the past and embracing the present. I do cultivate a heart that is open to forgiveness in all situations. I do let go of resentment and choose the path to forgiveness. I do release the grip of anger, making room for healing. I do forgive, not because others deserve it, but because I deserve peace. I do free my heart from the burden of grudges through forgiveness. I do forgive the mistakes of the past, allowing space for growth and healing. I do choose forgiveness over bitterness, allowing love to guide me. I love myself enough to forgive and release past mistakes. I love the transformative power of forgiveness in my life. I love the freedom that forgiveness brings into my heart and soul. I love the healing energy that forgiveness brings into my relationships. I love the peace that floods my being as I choose forgiveness. I love the strength that forgiveness adds to my character. I love the grace and humility that forgiveness instills in me. I love the freedom from the burden of grudges that forgiveness provides. I love the courage it takes to forgive, for it is an act of profound love. I speak with a heart open to forgiveness. I speak words that nurture understanding and compassion in my relationships. I speak forgiveness as a powerful tool for personal and collective growth. I speak words of reconciliation, fostering harmony and peace. I speak with kindness and empathy, recognizing the need for forgiveness. I speak words that create a culture of forgiveness and understanding. I speak with an open heart, ready to forgive and let go. I speak words that dissolve resentment and invite peace. I speak words that honor the journey of forgiveness in my life. I see the healing powers of forgiveness unfolding in my life. I see the wisdom in letting go and choosing peace and forgiveness. I see the grace that forgiveness brings into my life. I see the beauty in releasing resentment through forgiveness. I see the ripple effect of forgiveness, spreading love and harmony. I see the power of forgiveness to mend and strengthen connections. I see the opportunity for deeper self-awareness in the act of forgiveness. I see a clear pathway to peace that forgiveness provides. I understand that forgiveness is a choice that I make daily. I understand that holding on to resentment only hinders my own growth. I understand the healing powers of forgiveness in my life. I understand that forgiveness is an act of self-love and compassion. I understand that forgiveness is a journey and I am on the right path. I understand that forgiveness allows me to reclaim my power. I understand that forgiveness is the key to breaking cycles of negativity. I understand that forgiveness opens the door to emotional freedom. I understand that forgiveness allows me to live in the present moment. I understand that forgiveness doesn't erase the past, but transforms the future. As you continue your day, remember how important your health is. Take a moment to appreciate the care you give to your body, mind, and spirit. Let positive vibes be your guide to a full life of energy and happiness. Here's to your ongoing wellness, creating a positive vibe that brightens up your life and the lives of those you touch.